The Garford RoboCrop In-Row Weeder is a cutting-edge precision agriculture tool designed to mechanically eliminate weeds between and within crop rows. Using advanced video image analysis, it accurately identifies individual plants and weeds, selectively targeting the latter to minimize crop damage. This technology is particularly effective for crops like lettuce, cabbage, and celery, offering benefits such as improved crop quality, increased yield, reduced labor costs, and lower chemical usage, ultimately promoting sustainable farming practices. Its high-precision weed control and versatility make it a valuable tool for modern agriculture, optimizing resource use and minimizing environmental impact. By automating the weeding process, it also frees up farmers' time to focus on other essential tasks. The dewulf Enduro 4x90cm is a powerful self-propelled potato harvester designed for high-capacity harvesting in various conditions. Its 4-row configuration and 90cm row width enable efficient harvesting of large fields. It's equipped with advanced technology, such as advanced sieving and cleaning systems. The Enduro ensures reliable performance and high-quality potato yields. Its robust design and strong engine power allow it to handle challenging terrain and heavy loads, making it a preferred choice for professional potato growers. Additionally, its ergonomic operator cabin provides a comfortable working environment, reducing operator fatigue and improving productivity. The Enduro's versatility and efficiency make it a valuable asset for modern potato farming operations, contributing to increased yields and reduced harvesting costs. The Maja automatic ATL shaking machine is a high-efficiency tool for harvesting various fruits, including apples, cherries, plums, olives, almonds, and more. It utilizes a powerful shaking mechanism to dislodge ripe fruits from trees, which then fall onto a large adjustable screen. This screen gently collects the fruits, minimizing damage and ensuring optimal quality. The machine's automatic folding and unfolding screen system reduces the number of operators required, streamlining the harvesting process. With its ability to adapt to different orchard layouts and tree sizes, the Maja automatic ATL shaking machine offers a reliable and efficient solution for modern fruit harvesting. Its user-friendly design and easy operation further enhance its appeal to farmers. By reducing labor costs and increasing harvesting efficiency, this machine contributes to improved profitability in fruit production. The robotic S is a state-of-the-art self-propelled sugar beet harvester renowned for its exceptional performance and efficiency. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced technology, it effortlessly handles large fields in challenging conditions. Its innovative design and precise harvesting mechanisms ensure minimal soil damage and optimal crop quality. The Tiger 6S's comfortable cabin and intuitive controls provide operators with a user-friendly experience, reducing fatigue and maximizing productivity. With its ability to adapt to various soil types and weather conditions, the robotic 6S is a reliable and efficient solution for modern sugar beet harvesting operations. Its advanced cleaning and sorting systems deliver high-quality sugar beets ready for further processing. Additionally, the Tiger 6S's intelligent automation features, such as automatic steering and load sensing, further enhance its efficiency and reduce operator workload. The Klaus Jaguar 840 is a high-performance, self-propelled forage harvester known for its efficiency and reliability in harvesting various crops, including corn, grass, and other forages. It is part of the Jaguar 800 series, which is designed for large-scale farming operations. The Klaus Jaguar 840 is equipped with a powerful Mercedes-Benz engine, a high-capacity cutting system, and a versatopping cylinder, allowing it to handle a wide range of crops and harvest conditions. The Klaus Jaguar 840 features advanced technology and user-friendly controls, making it a reliable and efficient tool for farmers. The Klaus Jaguar 840 is a popular choice for farmers who need a high-performance forage harvester that can handle a variety of crops and conditions. It is a reliable and efficient machine that can help farmers to increase their productivity and profitability with its impressive performance and advanced features. The Wilson SuperMove 10 is a high-performance, round bale transporter designed to significantly increase the efficiency and productivity of bale handling operations. It can carry up to 10 round bales at once, reducing the number of trips required to transport a large number of bales. Its streamlined design, durable construction, and hydraulic operation make it easy to maneuver, load, and unload bales. The Wilson SuperMove 10 is a versatile machine that can handle a variety of bale types and sizes, making it a valuable tool for farmers involved in hay or straw production and transportation. The SuperMove 10 can help reduce soil compaction and improve field conditions by minimizing the number of trips over fields. This can lead to better crop yields and overall farm productivity. With its impressive capacity and efficiency, the Wilson SuperMove 10 is a game-changer for modern agriculture. The John Deere X9 1100 is a high-performance combine harvester designed to maximize productivity and efficiency in large-scale farming operations. Powered by a powerful 1.3.6L PowerTech engine, it delivers exceptional power and performance. The X9 1100 features a large grain tank capacity, a high-capacity unloading system, and advanced technology to optimize harvesting operations. This cutting-edge combine is capable of handling a wide range of crops, including wheat, corn, soybeans, and more. With its impressive speed, efficiency, and reliability, the John Deere X9 1100 is a top choice for farmers seeking to streamline their harvesting process and increase their yields. The X9 1100 is also equipped with advanced automation features, such as AutoTrack and HarvestMart, which can help to reduce operator fatigue and improve overall efficiency. Additionally, the machine's comfortable cab and intuitive controls make it a pleasure to operate.